taking my daughter's room from this to this.
Little cherry sheets. These stickers that I can't get off my wall. If you have 2-year-olds, do not buy them stickers. So other people, do not buy them stickers. A girl and her mom, little jewelry. These was my bracelets. I broke them, and then I made them little bracelets for her. Little stuffed animals. Her sister Riley. This little basket right here, I got this for my baby shower. I had her bows in here, but you know she a big girl. She don't really wear bows. I'm gonna actually put that in my living room. That way when she dirty up, mess up her toys and stuff, she can put them directly back in there. And I can try to keep my house clean because it's getting hard with a 2-year-old. I cleaned her closet out and took out all the sandals that was in here, so I can give them away because I don't think my baby gonna be able to fit them. Took out all the clothes she can't fit. Took out her dirty clothes. This got washed. And yeah, that's Dream's room. Now it's clean.
Meanwhile, she sleep like this.